Hello, welcome to Cooking with Davis. I'm Davis, and today I'm going to show you how to feed your sourdough starter. And so this is a very important step. All you're going to need is your sourdough starter. I keep mine in the fridge right here. And you're going to need some water, and you're going to need some flour, and that'll do it. Okay, now what we start with is the culture I've kept in the fridge. It's been a couple of weeks, at least 2, since I last used this culture. That's about how long our bread lasts, is a couple of weeks, and that's why I'm making more of it right now. And so, when you open it up, it looks kind of nasty. You can see it's kind of watery on top, and it's like, it doesn't look very good, you know? But that's okay. This is okay if it looks like this. All you have to do is mix it up. Okay, you see how it's kind of back incorporated with the starter here? I'm going to pour some of it into the new container that I'm going to use. Try not to spill too much on here. We just take, this is whole wheat flour, and I also have some spelt flour, which I think gives it a different consistency and a different taste. And we just add a couple of spoons in here of each of it, and then we add water until it's kind of a consistency of, I'd say, maybe glue. Maybe some more flour in that one. That's pretty good. This consistency here where it's kind of not quite liquid, kind of holds its shape, but that's pretty good. Now I'm going to add a little bit more flour to my culture for the fridge, but it'll be about the same consistency. And I can leave this in there for, another couple of weeks until the next time I need to use it. There you have it. Pretty easy. Now, in about 12 hours, this sourdough starter will be getting bubbly and it'll be rising up, and it nearly doubles in size. And when that happens, you know that it's ready to use for your recipe. Best of luck out there with your bread, and let me know if you have any questions.